tip. Avoid the stuff that drops from the ceiling. How about I give you a pro tip? The type of pro tip I'm going to give you, since I'm a pro at having your mom's legs right top open, top of my shoulder, off the top of my motherfucking shoulders, while I dip my pro tip and dip and squat in that loose ass pussy your mom's got until I keep stroking, building up enough friction until I could just bust and dribble all over her motherfucking face after I rip off the motherfucking condom. You know good and damn well I'll need friction to bust off that loose ass pussy. Cause her pussy's not hot, juicy, and wet enough and tight enough for me to bust off strokes alone, bitch ass nigga. I need friction. Get that ass bent. I'm tired of seeing this nigga shit my thing.